This is the Induction tilting Bratt pan, exported to the United Kingdom by Insmart. It's suitable for mass production of curry, thick soup, sauces, stewed meat, braised food, hot pot base, fried rice, fried noodles, and various prepared dishes. Featuring a composite bottom made of 5.0mm thick 430 stainless steel and 1.5mm thick 304 stainless steel. It's durable and resists deformation under long-term high temperatures, with a lifespan of over 10 years. Equipped with high-efficiency induction heating technology, it heats up faster with higher thermal efficiency and lower energy consumption, helping you save on operating costs. The equipment offers optional manual or electric tilting systems for easier discharge and lower labor intensity, making it ideal for continuous production in central kitchens, food factories, and large catering enterprises. Available in various sizes from 50 to 500 liters, it features a spring-loaded lid that can stay open at any angle.